Hey guys, I've got a Singer sewing machine. It's a touch and sew special zigzag model 756. I just got it here and it's in pretty good condition. I just threaded it up. It's got a pretty easy thread. You just run the spool from here to here, thread it through here, down here, through that, and then down to the needle. Okay, anyway, I want to show you the different patterns. It does have a straight stitch pattern. You can also vary the stitch control. So if you want a wider stitch, you can lower the number. And let's see. Also does have some other patterns. Gotta push it in a little bit and then it'll change it. There's a little bit of a zigzag pattern. I'm not very good at sewing, but this just shows you some of the options that it does have. So, great sewing machine. Comes with the bobbin, comes with the spool of thread, needle, comes with the foot pedal. And in addition, it comes with a hard shell case. Right there. And many attachments as well. All those goodies. Thanks for checking out my video. You can find this sewing machine at my eBay store, Collectibles and Replacements. Be sure to subscribe to my video and also make sure and like my videos as well. Thank you very much.